we'll guide you through how to change the background in Blender. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the Layout workspace. Look at the top menu bar and click on the Render Properties tab, which you'll find on the right side. In this panel, scroll down until you see the Film section. Click to expand it if it's not already open. Here, you'll see an option called Transparent. By default, this is unchecked. If you want a transparent background, you need to check this box. Doing so will render your scene without the default gray background, allowing for easy post-processing in image editing software. If you want a solid color, you can click on the World Properties tab, which is the small globe icon in the Properties panel. Under Surface, you'll see a color option next to Background. Click on the color bar, and a color wheel will pop up. Here, you can choose any color you want for your background. Adjust the color, brightness, and saturation to get the look you desire. Once you're happy with your settings, you can proceed to render your scene by pressing F12, or going to Render in the top menu and choosing Render Image. This will apply your chosen background settings to the final image. Don't forget to save your work to keep these settings for future use. Making these changes can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your renders, especially if you're planning to use them in presentations or projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.